Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of sound frequencies, specifically focusing on brown noise and how it differs from white and pink noise. Brown noise, also known as Brownian noise or red noise, is a type of sound signal that has a lower frequency emphasis. Its name is derived from the Brownian motion, which describes the random movement of particles. Brown noise sounds deeper and richer than white noise. It's often likened to the sound of a strong waterfall or heavy rain. It has a power density that decreases 6 decibels per octave, which means it emphasizes lower frequencies more than higher ones. Now, let's talk about white noise. White noise is a sound that contains equal intensity across all frequencies within the human hearing range. Think of it as a mix of all audible sounds played together. This means it sounds like a consistent hiss, similar to the static from an untuned radio. White noise is often used to mask other sounds and can help improve concentration or sleep. Next up is pink noise. Pink noise is similar to white noise, but with a twist. Unlike white noise, pink noise has equal energy per octave, meaning it has more power in the lower frequencies and less in the higher ones. This gives it a softer, more balanced sound that many people find more pleasant. Examples of pink noise include the sound of wind rustling leaves or steady rainfall. So, what are the key differences between these three types of noise? Frequency distribution. Brown noise emphasizes lower frequencies. White noise has equal intensity across all frequencies, and pink noise balances power across octaves. Sound quality. Brown noise sounds deeper and more soothing, while white noise can be harsh and static-like. Pink noise offers a middle ground, being more pleasant for many listeners. Uses. Brown noise is often used for relaxation and sleep, white noise for sound masking, and pink noise for both relaxation and audio testing due to its balanced frequency response. To wrap it up, understanding these differences can help you choose the right type of noise for your needs, whether it's for relaxation, focus, or sleep improvement. Give brown, white, and pink noise a try and see which one resonates with you the most. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on sound and wellness.